Alright. Turn that down. Pull the two-wheel drive engine over and put the broken piston back on it to show something I was a little hesitant about, but figured out pretty quickly. But I'll show it if anyone's looking it up. How to get the pistons off, and they have little tiny snap rings. Just take I have a screwdriver I made into a pick, but a little pick. You pick it up and there's a little channel right here. Find that little gap there and you see the ring. Get under it. Pull it up, get behind it, and it fell in the engine, but that's alright because I don't need this engine. So put like a rag or something underneath the piston to catch it, make sure. But that's how you get that out. And you just reach your finger from the other side. Push the pin out. Probably use the punch because my fingers aren't that skinny. Get the pin out, and then the piston's free. So there you go, if you're wondering. That's how you do it. And they're really easy to put back in, which I would show if it wasn't inside the engine. You just, here, you see the groove. Push one side into the groove and keep pushing until it clips back in, and then just make sure it's seated. It's really hard to see in there. I think I've got more chance of just pushing it back further into the engine than grabbing it, but it's worth a shot. Oh, nope, there it is. There we go. Oh, well, that's in the wrong position. Alright, that ought to be good enough. I got it out of there. Alright, put it back in, it's just as easy. I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the, keep everything together. Push it back in, all the way until it stops. Take your ring. Eye protection is recommended because one of these things whips out and goes off who knows where. They come out in a hurry. Yep, just push it in one side, get it to catch, and then get it in the rest of the way with a pick or something. Or if you have really strong fingernails, go for that. There he goes, and it snapped in. Alright. Easy to do. There you go. Hope that helps somewhere.